Musamseleku want his wives to benefit on Makumalo's mine. Mangwabe was the one who told Makumalo the way Musamseleku was explaining to them, to Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe, that mine belongs to the family. Musamseleku used Makumalo at the first time he opened a restaurant. Macele and Makumalo are two people who are managing that restaurant. Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't manage because they were busy at work, but at end of the month they want to benefit groceries, everything. They want to pay bills through that restaurant. Macele quit because Macele know that you can be used by other people. Macele explained at the first time that why Mangwabe and Mayeni, they can't participate. When they can't participate, she can't be on that restaurant. So Makumalo was alone taking care of that business. Macele quit, and now Makumalo opened a mine. Musamselek want his wife to be the part of that business, but they don't participate. Imagine, guys, you can work for other people. That's why Mangwawe told Makumalo that Makumalo have to open her eyes to not to involve Musamseleku's family, because Mangwawe saw that Musamseleku is using Makumalo now on that mine. He want to benefit his whole family to benefit on that mine. He knows that mine have got a lot of money. That's why Mangwawe told Makumalo, because tomorrow when Musamseleku is no longer in this world, his wives Mayeni and Macele, they can say to Makumalo, Musamseleku told us that mine belongs to the family. Musamseleku was the one who brought the mine for Makumalo. Maybe Musamseleku was told them that he brought the mine for Makumalo, what. That's why Makumalo cancel everything. Now she says mine belongs to her. Everything Makumalo can count. She doesn't want anything to have businesses or to involve herself on Musamseleku's business, or Musamseleku to involve himself on her businesses, because tomorrow it become a problem. Makumalo learned a lesson at that time. Musamseleku was not well, because tomorrow when Musamseleku is dead, what's going to be happen? That's why Makumalo have a pressure to buy a house in Durban, because tomorrow those people, they are going to live their lives. Musamseleku is not there. They can't live together in Musumbe, because everything Musamseleku, Makumalo's hard working, belongs to the family. Yes, Utando Nestembo, that program belongs to the family, but we know that Musamseleku can handle the program to his kids. Macele's kids, Abongwe was the one now who is taking care of that program. They open together with Makumalo, but Musamseleku, when it comes to his inheritance, he can't count Makumalo, but he wants Makumalo to count his family, the whole family, because Makumalo doesn't have a child. It can't make any sense. Even Makumalo, guys, I don't understand their relationship, because now, guys, Mangwawe told Makumalo, Mangwawe doesn't care. I love Mangwawe so much, because Mangwawe, she is not greedy like that. Even, Mangwawe doesn't care, because she knows that Mangwawe is a nurse and she is benefiting a lot on government. So that's why Mangwawe was telling Makumalo that you have to do your own things than to involve yourself in Musamseleku's business, because you can work hard for other people. They can benefit. They are staying at home and benefit, and you can work harder for other people. So Mangwawe was trying to tell Makumalo, because tomorrow it become a problem. They are fighting, especially Mayeni and Macele. They can fight with Makumalo about Musamseleku's inheritance, that mine belongs to Musamseleku, and it was not Musamseleku's mine. That's why now we didn't see even Musamseleku at Makumalo's mine. Makumalo is okay Musamseleku not to come to her mine, because when Musamseleku is involving himself to her mine, or to involve on businesses, what, on that diamonds, what, lithium, I don't understand. Tomorrow it will be a problem. Musamseleku can dead And those wives, they will come to Makumalo and say they want the shares. Imagine, guys, to your mine you buy with your own money.